Good morning everyone. I am Pratik Vikkad from SYAIDS. Today I will be presenting topic bargaining technique and distributed agent. These are the topics we are going to cover in presentation. These are the objectives. Now we see the enable effective negotiation, encourage cooperation and coordination, improve distributed decision making. Now we will see the bargaining techniques definition. Bargaining techniques are negotiation methods enabling agents to reach mutually acceptable agreement while maximizing their individual utilities. Now we will see the distributed agent. Distributed agent are autonomous entities that operate collaboratively in shared environment. Now we will see the topic principle of bargaining technique in distributed agent system. Effective bargaining, utility maximization, negotiation protocol, information sharing, time pressure, conflict resolution. Some information about this topic. Agents aim to maximize their utility in negotiations. Second, formalized method structure negotiation process effectively. Third, balancing transparency and strategic advantage in information sharing. Fourth, time constraint influence negotiation decision and strategies. Fifth, resolving disagreement to reach mutually beneficial agreements. Now we will see the characteristics of bargaining techniques. Effective bargaining in distributed systems. Autonomy, local information, negotiation protocol, adaptability, utility maximization, conflict resolution. Now we will see the type of bargaining technique and distributed agents. Distributive bargaining, mixed motive bargaining, interactive bargaining, intra-organizational bargaining. Now we will see the some information about this. Win lose approaches where one party gain in another's loss. In mixed motive bargaining combines competitive and cooperative strategies. Interactive bargaining focus on mutual benefit and expanding resources. Intra-organizational bargaining, internal negotiations before external bargainings. Now we see the field of bargaining techniques and distributed agents. Mixed motive bargaining, distributive bargaining, intra-organizational bargaining, interactive bargaining, and attitudinal bargaining. Now we will see the pillars of bargaining techniques and distributed agent. Information sharing and revelation, con- consensus behavior, conflict resolution and agreement formation, strategy and decision making, protocol design, distributed agents. In distributed agents, there are the subtypes of autonomy, privacy, scalability, asynchronization, communication, bargaining approaches. Now we will see the features of bargaining techniques. AI integrated means enhancing negotiation strategies with machine learning, blockchain security, ensuring transparency and trust in transaction, real-time decision making, enabling repeat negotiation in dynamic environment, aware bargaining, improving human agents collaboration through emotional understanding, scalability in complex system, handling large-scale negotiation efficiently, ethical bargaining, ensuring fairness and accountability in negotiations. Now we see the benefits of ethics or challenges of ethics. Pros: trust and transparency. Second, fair outcomes. Third, long-term cooperation. Now we will see the cons. Cultural differences. Second, profit versus fairness. Third, coding complexity. Now we will see the application of bargaining techniques. E-commerce negotiation, supply chain management, smart grid energy management. Now we see the ethical bargaining dynamics, smart grid energy management, supply chain management, benefit of ethics, challenges of ethics, e-commerce negotiation. Now we see the ethical consideration and key issues. First, transparency and explainability. Second, fairness and equity. Third, privacy and information disclosure. Now we will see the topic challenges in agent negotiation. First, incomplete information. Second, computational overhead. Third, trust and honesty. Fourth, time pressures. Now we will see the subjective and descriptive questions. First, define distributed agent. How do they differ from centralized system? Second, explain the importance of bargaining techniques in multi-agent systems. Third, discuss the various types of bargaining techniques used in distributed agent systems. Fourth, describe game theoretic approaches to bargaining in distributed environments. Fifth, what is the heuristic based bargaining? How is it applied in dynamic system? Now we will see the MCQs on bargaining technique and distributed agent. First, which type of agent communication is the essential during the bargaining technique? Answer C. Offer and counter offer exchanges. Second, what is the role of utility function in bargaining? Answer C. Rank preferences over outcomes. Third, which is the concession based bargaining strategy? Answer A. Time dependent. Which protocol uses offer and counter offer? Answer B. Alternating offers. Fifth, a negotiation that ends without an agreement typically means. Answer B. The BATNA was perfect for one or more agents. Sixth, what is the primary purpose of bargaining in multiple agent systems? Answer C. To reach mutually beneficial agreements. Now we see the key references of bargaining technique. Foundational works. These are the some points. Recent advances. These are the some points. Now we will see the final conclusion. First, bargaining technique play a crucial role in enabling distributed agent to negotiate, collaborate, and reach optimal agreements in decentralized environment. Second, this technique enhances the efficiency and autonomy of agents by allowing them to make decisions based on individual preferences while considering the collective goal. Third, as a distributed system become a more complex and widespread, the integration or robust bargaining strategy will be essential for improving coordination, adaptability, and overall system intelligence. Thank you for listening.